people.
Yeah, see? Oh, okay. Yeah, Shibuya.
Okay.
Few seconds. Yeah, so.
We're at Hachiko statue, I think. The famous dog. Good guy.
Yeah, cool.
Man, there's just so much. It would take a whole day to explore one of these buildings.
Yeah, it is.
And this is only one part of the city.
Like in other countries, when they show about Tokyo, means always showing here, yeah? Shibuya Crossing or Asakusa, right?
Yeah, but there's so much, so much more to Tokyo. Oh, this is the station. This whole thing is the station.
Well, last time in the Halloween, I was here with my wife. Oh my goodness, maybe thousands.
Wait, last year or this year?
This year.
So, a story. So, I wanted to come here for Halloween. But I was thinking too much. So I was like, oh, it's gonna take too long, and oh, I don't have an Airbnb. And so I just said, no, I'm gonna stay home. I regret it, dude, because I saw videos and there's just thousands of people.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is not Corona, full of people wearing, costume,
Yeah.
But still in the Corona, but thousands people. I'm so surprised. Too packed. You can't hardly walk it.
Yeah. Maybe. I think I would have had fun then, yeah. Shibuya Center Guide.
Yeah, Center Guide. Center Street.
So what is Shibuya famous for? Besides the crossing, yeah.
Yeah. And normally like the clothes or whatever, yeah. And for drinking.
Okay.
Yeah. But normally for shopping.
Mostly for shopping. Okay.
Also like also all brand,
Yeah,
everything what you want.
I feel like if you were looking for something, you would find it here.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And because there's so many people, it's not so cold.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know if that really means anything.
For him. Wow, look.
Oh, photos. I think I might buy some. Hold on. Let's see, how much is this? Usually in the shop it's $3.
$3. 300 yen.
Over here they add $1 to it.
Ah, I see.
It's okay, I'll buy that somewhere else.
Oh.
Biohazard. Really? They don't have Harrison on it.
Oh, looks nice.
Wow, we really picked a good building. I thought that, so when somebody told me go to Shibuya Parko, I thought it was just a clothing store.
Oh.
I didn't know it had all of...
Me too.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. I can actually understand what you were saying.
Wow.
A little
it's
bit.
Nice, yeah.
You asked, is it okay to take pictures?
Yeah.
And she said, no,
Okay.
you asked, is it okay to take pictures too? Mo, right? And you're like, yeah. The guy's hair is... You know what? You gotta live life. You gotta live life.
With Japan.
Yeah. So it's like if you have, like, when you erase something, you have those, like,
Oh, super.
or if you're smart, you put
Oh,
Mario pants.
oh. What is it?
So these are from the video game. So these are symbols from the video game. Like a little diamond, rupee, and then I think that this is a heart container.
Oh.
Maybe. I think what you do is that you actually buy one of these and fill it up.
And then
yeah,
you
so
put it.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is so cool. I'm
Yeah?
sorry, this is awesome. Go back home. Go back home. This is for IC card.
Any good?
I'm gonna get one thing.
Ah, okay.
The heart container from.
Okay.
Maybe not. Let's see. One last thing, and I want to go over here.
Oh, okay.
This is Animal Crossing. Oh my god, dude! Sorry, this is perfect.
What is it?
So this is just a lot of the popular characters in this video game, but it's all marshmallows.
Oh.
So it's like a gift.
What?
It's like a gift set.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, here is tourist people.
I'm 100% tourist. It's okay though.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.